In the ever-evolving landscape of woodworking, where tradition meets innovation, there's a quiet yet powerful corner that continues to grow: mini woodworking projects. These small-scale creations hold remarkable value, not just in the hands of seasoned artisans, but especially for beginners and hobbyists looking to carve their place in the craft. Whether for personal satisfaction, thoughtful gifting, or creating a profitable micro-business, mini woodworking projects offer a world of opportunity wrapped in compact creativity. Welcome to Decor Idea. Today we will show you a collection of mini woodworking projects ideas for beginners that make real money. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Mini woodworking doesn't demand a massive workshop or heavy-duty machinery. In fact, that's part of its charm. With basic tools, a few square feet of workspace, and a vision, one can begin crafting objects that are both functional and beautiful. This approach to woodworking strips away the intimidation often associated with large, complex builds and replaces it with immediacy, accessibility, and gratification. For beginners, the appeal is straightforward. Starting small allows for experimentation, trial, and learning without the fear of wasting expensive lumber or ruining a large piece. A small wooden box or a set of coasters might not seem grand at first glance, but the skills involved, measuring, cutting, joining, sanding, finishing, are the very foundations of craftsmanship. These projects provide a perfect playground for refining technique while building confidence. But it's not just the technical skills that grow. It's the understanding of material behavior, the patience of working through imperfections, and the joy of watching raw wood transform beneath your hands. Mini projects become a gateway not only into woodworking itself, but into a deeper appreciation of time, texture, and handmade purpose. The advantages extend into the realm of selling and income generation, too. In today's saturated digital marketplace, uniqueness and authenticity matter more than ever. People aren't just looking for items, they're looking for meaning. Handmade wooden bookmarks, key holders, phone stands, tea light holders, jewelry organizers, and plant pot risers all tap into this demand. These small, useful items resonate with buyers who crave something personal, something made with intention, and something that doesn't look like it came off an assembly line. From a sales standpoint, mini woodworking projects are far more manageable for online sellers and local market vendors. Their size makes them easy to ship, easy to display, and easy to customize. A seller could create 20 small wooden trays in a weekend and still keep production costs low. Because the material usage is minimal and the time investment manageable, the profit margins are often surprisingly high. This makes mini projects not only attractive for customers but sustainable for makers, especially those just starting out. Even better, these projects have the potential to become the foundation for brand identity. A woodworker who begins selling rustic, hand-burned bookmarks can gradually expand into complementary items like custom shelves or wall art, building a recognizable style and loyal customer base along the way. These small objects are often the first touchpoint between a creator and their audience, and they matter. They carry the soul of your craft into someone's life, into their homes, into their routines. And let's not overlook the gift-giving aspect, which remains one of the most personal and rewarding uses of mini woodworking projects. In a world increasingly dominated by digital transactions and impersonal exchanges, a handmade wooden gift speaks volumes. It says, "I invested my time. I thought about you. I made this with care." These small wooden items carry emotional weight far beyond their physical size. A custom-engraved photo frame for a new parent, a hand-carved pen holder for a retiring teacher, a simple heart-shaped box for a loved one. They all become keepsakes, tangible memories, objects that connect hearts through craftsmanship. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For many woodworkers, this is where the deepest satisfaction lives. In the gift, not just the sale. In the ability to make someone's day a little warmer, their space a little more personal. These moments of connection become fuel for the creative fire. They remind us why we work with wood in the first place, not merely to make objects, but to infuse function with feeling. Another often overlooked advantage of mini woodworking projects is their sustainability. These small pieces can be made from leftover cuts, reclaimed scraps, or offcuts that would otherwise go to waste. Instead of discarding the remnants of a larger build, woodworkers can transform them into earrings, miniature trays, drawer pulls, or decorative wall hooks. This practice aligns with a growing global awareness around environmental responsibility and adds yet another layer of meaning to each creation. It's not just a project, it's a gesture toward sustainability, toward making the most of what we have. Working small also enhances focus and intentionality. A compact project demands careful attention to detail. When making a simple wooden spoon, for example, every curve, edge, and finish matters. You're not hiding behind size or scale. You're working in close proximity to your craft, allowing you to notice subtleties and refine your style. It sharpens your eye and hones your touch, both of which are essential for growth in any artisanal field. The minimal scale also means more creative freedom. You can try new techniques, experiment with design ideas, or test out finishes without the pressure of failure. Want to try wood burning? Test it on a coaster. Curious about epoxy inlays? Add it to a mini charcuterie board. Considering personalized carving? Practice on a nameplate. Every mini project becomes a canvas for experimentation, which helps woodworkers evolve faster and with more confidence. In today's fast-paced world, there is also a growing appreciation for compact, multi-purpose, and aesthetically pleasing items. People live in apartments, shared housing, or spaces that require thoughtful organization and minimalist design. Mini woodworking projects naturally align with these lifestyles. A small wooden shelf for spices, a collapsible book stand, a bedside organizer. These are things people want and need. And when they're made of real wood, they bring warmth and beauty into even the smallest corners of daily life. From a business perspective, offering a line of mini projects also opens the door to bundling and scaling. A buyer who purchases one handcrafted item may be enticed by a matching set. The ability to mix and match, to combine functionality with cohesive design, increases the perceived value of your offerings. It invites upselling and customer attention without demanding larger workloads. And for the maker, these projects provide a rare sense of rhythm and accomplishment. A full-size dining table might take weeks to complete, but a tray or coaster set can be finished in a day or even hours. This allows you to enjoy regular wins, to stay motivated, and to feel progress. It also creates a constant flow of creative output that keeps the business side of woodworking thriving and responsive to seasonal trends. Mini woodworking projects are also highly teachable and community-driven. They're perfect for workshops, online tutorials, or YouTube videos. If you want to share your knowledge, teach beginners, or start a content channel, these small projects are the ideal starting point. They're manageable, photogenic, and engaging, perfect for capturing the attention of audiences who may be intimidated by more complex builds. In the end, the advantages of mini woodworking projects stretch far and wide. They offer a nurturing ground for new skills, a sustainable model for making money, a heartfelt avenue for gift-giving, and a platform for creative expression. They embody the spirit of woodworking, resourceful, patient, and deeply human, while fitting neatly into the fast-paced, space-conscious, and environmentally aware world we live in today. To the woodworker, whether just beginning or seeking to expand, these small projects offer a clear message. Start here. Start small, but start strong. Every piece matters. Every cut is a lesson. Every gift or sale is a seed planted. And over time, these tiny projects become the foundation of something much bigger, not just a portfolio, not just a business, but a life rooted in craftsmanship, connection, and meaning. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini woodworking projects ideas for beginners that make real money. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.